Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Bybit's rewards. So let's get into the video. So go to Bybit and then log into your Bybit account. So once I've logged into your account here, so go to your profile here on your top right, and then here if you scroll down you will see an option called My Rewards. So click on My Rewards. So when you click on My Rewards here, it will show you all your rewards that's available to you. So if you click on the available tab, you will see all the rewards that's available. Since I don't have any rewards available, there's nothing showing up here. So if you have certain rewards, or you can earn rewards if you by going to your My Task here. So if you click on My Task, and then if you complete certain task here that's mentioned here, only here, whatever depending on your account, so you'll be able to like earn rewards there. But if you already have some rewards here, so when you get to My Rewards page here, so what you're going to do, you will see the rewards popping up here. So simply underneath the reward there will be a use option there. So all you have to do is simply click on that use option to use that reward. So once you click on the use option, that will reflect on your account and you will be able to use that reward for your next transaction or for your next activity on Bybit. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.